Hey everyone, welcome to this beginner guide on how to start Forex trading. If you are ever wanted to get into trading but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. I'll take you through everything step by step from the requirements to choosing the best broker and trading platform. Plus, I'll give you a special opportunity to get mentored by me for free. So make sure you stick around till the end. Step 1 is the requirements. So in requirements, you need a phone, a laptop, or a tablet. So in the requirement part, you need a phone, laptop, and a tablet. So this is your trading workstation. Number 2, you will need an internet connection. You need an internet connection or Wi-Fi. I think it's one and the same thing. So you need an internet connection and Wi-Fi because you need a stable internet connection for real-time trading. That is step number 1. Step number 2, I hope you are taking notes, guys. Step number 2, understanding the Forex trading process. You need to understand the Forex trading process. And to make money in Forex, here is how the process works. Here is how the process works. You, the one or trader, you are in this category is 1. Then there is broker. This is where you open your trading account. And then there is financial market. So in this financial market, this is where the trading takes place. But since we all can't access these, there is where broker comes in. The broker comes in to bridge the gap between you and the financial market. So that is the work of this broker. The broker comes to bridge between financial market and the... So in other terms, you can say a broker is the middleman that connects you to the Forex market. You'll need a trading account, which can either be a demo for practice if you are new to Forex trading, or a live account for real money. So in this part where the broker comes in, I hope you can see it. You need to open a demo if you are new to trading, or a live account if you are already a well-established trader. So if you have issues with opening your account, whether a demo or live, you can send me a direct message on my Telegram so that I can guide you through. So now choosing the right broker is crucial. This is the part where most traders miss. Choosing the right broker is crucial. Okay. Now, choosing the right broker is crucial. There are so many brokers out there, but I'll personally guide you to get the best one. The one I've been using is the trusted, reliable, and perfect for beginners. So stay tuned for that. That was step number 2. Step number 3. Step number 3, you need a trading platform. You need a trading platform. That is the next step. You need a trading And in trading platform, we have several trading platform. We have TradingView, we have TradingView. This is great for market analysis and charting. Yeah, this is great for market analysis and charting. Then another one is MT5 or MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, which is a powerful platform for trading. Yeah, it's where you execute your trades. Then, sorry for this. Let me delete it. We have also MT4 or MetaTrader 4. Yeah, so don't mind handwriting. MetaTrader 4 is also the most widely used platform by Forex traders, and also we also have cTrader. This is a great alternative with advanced features. Each platform has a unique features, but I can help you choose the best one based on your trading style. Then, final advice. Was it number? Which number is it? Which number is it? Sorry. This is step number 4. So step number 5. For step number 5, which is the most crucial, you need to get a good mentor. Mark my word, guys, you need to have a good mentor. Many beginners struggle because they don't have the right guidance. That's why having a good mentor is key to success in Forex trading. And guess what? I'm here to help you for free. I'm here to help you for free. I'm not going to ask you any money or any payment. I'm just going to help you for free. You don't need to pay for expensive Forex courses. I'll guide you personally, step by step. Just contact me directly on my Telegram and I'll show you everything you need to become a profitable trader. That's it for this beginner guide on how to start Forex trading. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and follow for more valuable content. And remember, success in Forex is all about knowledge, patience and having the right mentor. And I'm here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video and happy trading.